Welcome to today's episode. Did you know that the ancient Greeks were not just philosophers, warriors, and artists, but also pioneers of healthy eating? In this video, we're diving into the world of ancient Greek superfoods, the secrets to their legendary vitality and strength. By the end, you'll learn how these timeless foods can boost your nutrition naturally, especially if you're looking to add more high-protein options to your diet. The ancient Greek diet, also known as the Mediterranean diet's ancestor, was deeply rooted in simplicity, balance, and nutrient density. Let's explore 6 superfoods they cherished, with a focus on high-protein options and how you can incorporate them into your life. Fish was a cornerstone of the ancient Greek diet, especially in coastal areas. Rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, fish like mackerel, sardines, and sea bass helped sustain the energy and strength of Greek warriors and athletes. Grill or bake fish with olive oil and fresh herbs. Try sardines on whole-grain crackers as a snack. Lamb was a prized source of protein in ancient Greece, often reserved for feasts and celebrations. Its rich, tender meat provided essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and high-quality protein to fuel the strength of ancient warriors and athletes. Marinate lamb chops in olive oil, lemon, and oregano before grilling. Add slow-cooked lamb to a barley stew for a hearty meal. Pork was another significant protein source in ancient Greece, known for its versatility and flavor. Whether roasted, grilled, or preserved, pork was a staple at both everyday meals and grand feasts. Grill pork tenderloin with a honey and pomegranate glaze. Serve pork with roasted vegetables for a balanced plate. Next up, olives and olive oil. Known as liquid gold, olive oil was a staple of the Greek diet. While not a protein source, olive oil is packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it an essential complement to high-protein meals. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil on grilled chicken or fish. Use it as a dip for whole-grain bread with herbs like oregano. Next we have lentils, one of the most ancient and protein-rich foods of the Greek diet. These legumes are an excellent plant-based source of protein and are also high in fiber and iron. They were often used in stews and soups to nourish hardworking Greeks. Make a hearty lentil soup with olive oil, garlic, and oregano. Add cooked lentils to salads for a protein boost. Fruits were essential in the ancient Greek diet, providing natural sweetness and vital nutrients. Figs, grapes, and pomegranates were especially popular. Figs, revered for their energy-boosting properties, were often eaten fresh or dried. Grapes, not just for wine, were a quick and nutritious snack. And let's not forget pomegranates, symbolic of health and fertility, packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Snack on fresh grapes or dried figs with almonds for a balanced treat. Sprinkle pomegranate seeds over Greek yogurt for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Barley, along with pulses like chickpeas and fava beans, was a staple of the ancient Greek diet. These ingredients are rich in plant-based protein and provided a long-lasting source of energy. Chickpeas in particular were often made into soups or mixed with herbs for a nutritious meal. Make a barley salad with vegetables and feta cheese. Prepare hummus from chickpeas as a high-protein dip. Cheese, especially feta, was a beloved protein-rich food in ancient Greece. Made from goat's or sheep's milk, feta is not only delicious but also high in protein, calcium, and probiotics, making it great for gut health. Crumble feta over roasted vegetables or salads. Pair feta with watermelon for a refreshing summer snack. Finally, let's talk about herbs. While not protein sources, herbs like oregano, thyme, and rosemary were more than just flavor enhancers. They were medicinal powerhouses. These herbs support digestion and help the body absorb nutrients from protein-rich meals. Sprinkle fresh herbs on grilled chicken or fish. Brew herbal teas to aid digestion after protein-heavy meals. These ancient Greek superfoods, from high-protein lentils and fish to nourishing grains, fruits, and cheese, offer a balanced, natural way to boost your nutrition. By embracing these timeless foods, you're not just eating healthier, you're connecting with a legacy of vitality and strength. Which of these will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition tips and history-inspired content.